Okay, so Python Dataframe.head. So what does the Dataframe.head do? It returns the first n rows. It returns the first n rows for the object based on position. It is useful for quickly testing if your object has the right type of data in it. So as an example, we can make a data frame. So first we have to import pandas as PD. Then we can make a data frame. df is PD data frame. And then we're going to insert a single column with the name animal and with some animals in there. So we have alligator, bee, falcon, lion, monkey, parrot, shark, whale, and zebra. Okay. And the df looks as follows. df head then returns the first 5 rows of the data frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course we have an optional argument, n is 5. So we can also type in df head n is 2. You don't even need the n, you can just type df head 2 or 3. And if we type in df head 0, again we get the same thing with df tail. It just returns if n is 0, then it returns df iloc 0.